Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Five Below. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so over here we have the plasma ball. I don't think I've seen that. That must be new, but I'm absolutely loving this throw. So this for $5, this is a nice buy. I think my daughter would like that. Then this throw pillow here, that's $5. And look at this print. She would love that. And look at these bins on the bottom. So here they have them with the initials, guys. And here you have the essential oils. Is that not cool or what? So these are the aroma diffusers, guys. And then here, look at these lamps. And look at these succulent little room decor. So that's the elephant, that's the cat. And here's the dinosaur. And then here's the snake plant. Okay. And here's this rock salt, Himalayan rock salt. And this is a lamp. And here's a nightlight, guys. But I'm really loving this throw blanket here. I like that. And then this here, that's a crystal. And here's some more soft blankets and some more of the bins along the bottom, guys. And here you have the rings. These are nice, guys. Let me see the earrings. So these earrings are really nice. Okay. No rain, no flowers. And that's the tea. And that's the tea. So my brain has too many tabs open. That's how I feel today, guys. Okay, be nice, be a nice human. Then look at these bowls. Aren't these pretty? I don't know if for $5 a piece. I don't know. But look at these mugs. Look at the hedgehog, guys. And here's the rainbow. Then over here you have the shelf. And there you have the nesting bowls. These signs over here say gather. I'm absolutely loving this. I wonder if that's $3.25. So these say gather. That says I love naps. Yeah, I think that's all they say is gather, guys. So those are really cool. Then you have some candles and some incense holders. Piece room decor set. I love that set. For $5, that's very nice. Then you have this little canvas picture, $3.25. And then this is the butterfly, the peacock butterfly, different kinds of butterflies, guys. And this is the love sign. Then you have the 3-clip sign, and this one says, I believe in pink. I like that. Then this one over here says gather. So this is like a 3-piece canvas set right here. You see, and that's what it looks like. Then you have some more of the bins on the bottom and those globes, and here's another 3-piece set, and that's what that one looks like. So these boxes are really cool, guys. I like these, and they're in raw wood. So, and then you have the calendar, guys. You know how I love the wooden calendars. These are so nice. So here is the room tray organizer. I really like those blocks, but not for $5. I don't think so. But I'm liking the shelves. And there's some more baskets. And here's the wire ones. Like, I'm really liking these wire ones. Some more tray organizers. I think this is the moon. Yeah, these are the moon signs. Then this here is a 3-piece mirror set. And that's $5 for that. And this one is the shelf for the corner. And then we have, I guess that's a Zen Garden 2, a tiered fountain. And here's a floor mat, a woven mat. And then look at this. Is this not cool or what? Then they have, this is an accent rug. These are all accent rugs and mats. Okay, and then you have some incense and some essential oils and some diffusers. And look at these candles, guys, over here. Oh, here it says relax to the max. I like that. Here's the moon, and there's the hello. Here's that plasma ball. Here's a galaxy orb. And here's the gem light. I'm loving that gem light. And look at this one. And then there's the glitter light. They have the manicure set. These guys are $2.25. Then these are $5. I don't know, somebody took some stuff out of there. This one too. So look at this one in the marble. That's a cute set, guys. This is a full mani-pedi. And look at the nails. These are so beautiful. This is the rose gold. And then look at these. So these are $5, guys. Look at these. Very nice, guys. So let's come over here. And here is the nail art for Frozen, LOL, JoJo. Very cute, guys. These are for kids. I'm loving that. Those earrings. Okay, guys. So I thought we'd scroll through the stuff they have. Here's some earrings. These are so pretty, aren't they, guys? Look at these. They're $3.25. Look at these. I think I might have shown these. Look at these. They're so pretty, guys. Look at them. Very nice. So the air fresheners, aren't they adorable? Here's the watermelon. And here's the panda bear. And here's the no drama. And here's some lanyards and keychains. I like this lanyard. Very pretty, guys. Let's see what else they have. So these are the sleep mask. This one says, "As Dad, Mom Life." Here's the fox, Nap Queen. Isn't that adorable? Suspenders. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Five Below. Just to kind of scroll and look through their stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.